It's really cold out here. Hey, welcome to my channel on this really cold fall morning. Well, I have something really cool to show you this morning. I'm going to do this quick because it's a little chilly and I wore the wrong jacket. So what I have is a brand new FPV drone by Betafpv. It's called the X-Night. Let me show you. It actually fits inside my bag with all my gear. It's that small, but at the same time, it's really, really big because it's a 5-inch drone on a small frame. Does that make any sense? Let me show you again. There we go. If I lift this up, you can see there's inside my bag. All my gear is in there, and there, see that big X in the center? That's the quad, the drone. Yeah. And this little guy, you're probably like, oh, it's kind of unassuming. It's nothing exciting. But let me tell you this as I bring it close. This is probably one of the most powerful drones on the planet because it runs on a 6S battery with super powerful brushless motors. It's an X-frame, it's not very heavy. It's gonna fly like stink. Now hang on, you gotta see this, hang on. Let me just turn the camera here. Check out, is it happening? Let's see, yeah, I'll just pick it up. See the trees? Well, we have some wind with this cold fall morning, so that means burr, and drones will flop around in the sky. And this little guy, where are you here? I'm not too worried because it is so friggin' powerful. It should just slice through the wind and the air like butter, baby. So let's go check this out. Now this little guy has a digital camera, so I have to use the DJI FPV goggles to fly it. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna fly it without the goggles, just so I can show you how it flies really close up. All right, so I'm gonna use a 6S battery. You can see there's 6 cells if you want to count them, and they're gonna go right on the bottom here. And it's not a lot of weight, so 6S on a tiny thing like this with 5-inch props, it's gonna move. All right, this is all ready to fly. All right, I've got an arm switch over here, and if I flick that, you see the props go, so we're all set. Yeah, with the wind happening here, it is taking it all over the place, so I have to keep it pretty smooth, but that's what it looks like when it's flying. That's the beauty of this here quad, and of course, it's like, whoa, I'm gonna kill it in the sun here. All right, for my first flight with goggles, I'm gonna try to fly this slow and low to the ground. At least that's my plan. The way to do that is I have to take the camera angle on here and I have to move it, you can probably see it there, I don't know if you can see it. It's pointing upwards a little bit. I have to point it more forward. Screwdriver in here. I'm going to adjust the camera angle. Get it a lot more forward, put it as low as it can go. Oh, that's as low as it goes. Oh my God, this thing is just built for speed. All right, we're gonna try it. I've got it on the lowest setting. That means in order to go slow with this, the slowest I can go, it wants to tilt like this. That's still gonna go like stink. We'll give it a shot. See if I can get it slow and low to the ground. Now, an important thing to note, look at how tiny it is. There is no GoPro on here, so how do you think the video is recorded? Well, it's recorded in this digital camera into my goggles. So what you're gonna see is what the goggles records, and what the goggles record is basically what I see. So here we go. It's early morning and nobody's out here. This is awesome. I'm gonna put it in acro mode. There we go. Arm the motors. And here we go. And this is me trying to fly it slow because it is a beast. It's like, it just wants to go. It's like a bucking horse. So here I am, the wind is blowing me to the side. I've got the camera as low as possible to go as slow as possible. This is slow, guys. This is just crazy. This is not your grandma's quadcopter. This is insane. Look at this, this is slow. And I don't know if I mentioned this, I've got like a 4-kilometer range with this thing. I could fly out 4 kilometers with it. I could just feel the wind blowing it to the side. But, and that's at the slow speed. Imagine if I was going fast. Let's bring it this way. Come around. Yeah, this is really nice. And this is slow. Yikes. Okay, let's bring it up. Let's get some height. There we go. Do some slow twirlies. Nice. Nice. And if you look away down here, there I am at the end of the parking lot. And I'm over here, sitting down there. Hear it screaming over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down and I'm going to tilt the camera more for speed so I can get some speed. But before I do that, let me just bring it low to the ground without crashing it here. So let's try to go someplace where I'm not going to crash into anything. There we go. Nice. Keeping it low. The wind's pushing me to the right. I got to keep it that way. Whoa. This would be a great drone to just go out and have some crazy freestyle time. Just flying around and going, hey guys, check this out. Look, I'm just doing flips. Whoa! It would just like really throw somebody to, it would really cause somebody to upchuck their little breakfast. All right, let's bring this back and bring it on down to me. I'll try to land it someplace near me. So the camera was pointing the lowest. I'm gonna bring it up. This is as high as you can, that's the highest. That's just insane. Look at that, that is so high. Let's give it a shot really quick. This is crazy. All right, here we go. This is gonna be nutsoid. When I arm it, you're gonna see what the camera sees, and I'm looking up at the sky. Watch this, I'm gonna arm it. I don't know if it's gonna go flopping all over the place. There it is. Do you see? It's looking up at the sky. I'm looking at the sky. I should be looking straight ahead, but that's the way the camera's tilted. All right, here we go, guys. There we go, there we go. I'm going right into the wind. All right, so this is about as fast as I can go without killing the battery all in one burst. Look at this thing go. I'm going through the entire field. I've gone over the entire park. Don't fall in the water, don't fall in the water, don't fall in the water. And I can go all the way over to the school. Now there's kids in the school, so I'm not allowed to fly over a building with people in it. So I'm coming back this way. Whoa, it's in the wind. The wind is just tossing it around, but it's just slicing through the wind. This is incredible. Whoa, this is crazy. Watch, listen to it as it goes over. It's just screaming. Okay, let me bring it down. Let me bring it down here so you can hear it even more. It's so friggin' loud. Here, I'll come this way. Ooh, this thing is nuts. And for height, let's see. I'll scream it up, look at this. And now I'm almost out of power. Whoa, look at that. The world is just so strange when you go up high like that. All right, I'm gonna bring this back and then I'll take it out again, hopefully to fly when there's some planes out or something like that. All right, let's see if I can even bring it down close to me and land it without killing the drone or myself. Instead of crashing into me, crash into the ground. Whoa, no, there we are. All right, quad, there you are, landed upside down. This thing's pretty incredible. So I don't know if there's the camera, if you see it at a better angle. Look at how I had it. It's like the camera is pointing up. So in other words, for me to see straight, I have to tilt the drone like that. And then when I tilt it like that, look at how the props are. They're just pulling into the wind. So that's how it goes. But it's just so light and so tiny, it doesn't know what to do. It's got too much power for its size. This is obviously a drone for racing and freestyle and pretty much nothing else. If you want to race and do freestyle and impress your friends, this is the one to have. All right, so really fast quad, really fast and very versatile. If you like to fly fast and you like freestyle and you just like to do some insane stuff, this is for you. That noise you hear above me would be RC planes going nuts, flying all over the place. Anyways, I'm gonna put an unboxing next. Check out the unboxing to see what comes in the box. And if you have questions on this drone, post them below. If you would like to buy this drone, the links are below. Check out the links are down here. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will catch you in a future video with many more drone reviews. Take care. And now a super fast unboxing of the Betafpv X-Night 5-inch quad. Inside the box, you can see we have the drone, and I have assembled parts onto the drone already so that it doesn't fit back in the box anymore. That's because I've put parts on it. So let me show you close. This is called a 5-inch quad because the props are 5-inch. And they also call it like a toothpick quad. I call it like an X quad because look, it's like a big X. What makes this thing so amazing is that it's freaking powerful and very lightweight, and it has a digital camera system on it. It is the CATX Vista system right here. All the components are inside, you can see down here. And you can get a range of 4 kilometers on this baby. It has a new Betafpv motors. They're 1700 kV, very, very thin profile, very lightweight, so they don't add a lot of weight to this here drone. It is carbon fiber. It is a different type of carbon fiber that's super, super strong, because look at how skinny the arms are right here. You don't want those to break, so it's super extra strong carbon fiber. Up here, the silver stack right there, that would be your CAD DX Vista. That's the brains to power all of this, your receiver, your video transmission. You can see that's your flight controller right there, F4 flight controller. Now this drone comes in many different models, different sizes, different battery types, different cameras. So this is the digital system, HD digital, and it's also the 5-inch size, and it's also the 6S battery size. So it's as powerful as you can possibly get for a drone this size. So let's weigh it. How much does this little guy weigh? It's 174 grams. And if I put a 6S battery on, because you're going to need a battery to fly it, you're at 258 grams. Put a little bit lesser battery, you know, not as many milliamps, and you can go down under 250 grams. You can fly this thing 4 kilometers out. It's pretty sweet. Now, when I received this quad, the only thing I had to do is put the props on and connect it to my DJI system. The only other thing included was a spare set of props and a little protector for your camera. And this brings me to the end of this review. If you enjoyed this review, well, then please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions on that drone, post your questions below. And if you want to know where to buy this baby, and I'm sure you do, it's on the Betafpv website. The links are below. Check it out. Hope you enjoyed everything. See you guys in the next video. Bye.